Hello everyone and welcome back to Anjelikas Kitchen Lab. Only 2 days after Christmas and we're already back in the kitchen because New Year deserves something truly special. Today I am baking a beautiful, elegant cake inspired by the famous Raffaello candy. Delicate white chocolate cream, coconut, almonds and a layer of crunchy waffle filling come together in the most luxurious way. Every bite made on your palate, and the final results look classy, refined, and absolutely stunning. Perfect for welcoming in the New Year style. So let's start. Our first step, we start with the cream. So we'll mix cream and coconut together to let the coconut penetrate cream and release the aroma. So just make it hot but without boiling. After I left cream with coconut for a couple hours to penetrate with the aroma, I reheated it and now we'll separate shredded coconut from the cream. And now we add white chocolate in the hot cream and mix it all together. Alright, we just keep mixing white chocolate with cream until it's thoroughly melted. So, and additionally, we will use blender. Now we'll cover with the plastic film to make it all cooling down. Now we'll brown almond flour and coconut flakes to release aroma. Alright, so our almond flour and coconut flakes nice and brown and smells amazing. And now we'll put them in our regular flour. Now we mix our amazing dry ingredients all together. Regular flour, almond flour and coconut. Looks beautiful, smells amazing, and they all looks great. And now I'll put them inside. Next step, we're gonna beat egg whites. When they are almost ready, nice and fluffy, we'll add half of the sugar amount and continue to beat. Now we will beat egg yolks with remaining amount of sugar. Our egg yolks looks nice and light, and I will add half of the dry ingredients and mix them all together. Add oil. Gradually add the egg whites. Added second half of dry ingredients, mix them together. Continue adding egg whites. Now the biscuit goes to the oven for 356 degrees of Fahrenheit for 30-40 minutes. We'll create stuffing for our Raffaello. So I melted white chocolate, we add butter, and just keep mixing. Okay, the butter melted in the chocolate, and we will add it to broken waffle, shredded coconut, almonds, and mix it all together. And our crunchy stuffing for inside of the cake. Now we'll mix all together. Make sure chocolate covers everything, but not melting into it. The chocolate is nicely absorbed, and make sure it's not gonna melt into. I'm gonna transfer it to the foil and put it in the fridge. So make sure it stays nice and crunchy. Stay in the fridge until I will need it to put my cake together. So our beautiful biscuit is ready, and I'm gonna cut it in 3 layers now. Separated biscuit on 3 layers. and just let it cool down. And now we'll do cream. So we'll use mascarpone and cream, nice and cool down cream from the fridge, which smells beautifully with coconut. Now it's time to put our cake together. So we add a little liquor to the creamer, and I'll use it to just penetrate layers of the biscuit. All right, so create a border, and now we'll fill it with our crunchy stuffing. So good.